What's going on, guys? This is Aaron. This channel is called Hotel Delta, bringing you all things two wheels with an emphasis in Harley-Davidsons. And today, just off the truck, we finally got in one of the new Street Glide STs, and this is the Enthusiast, and what Harley is calling their Fast Johnnie series. So if you don't know, there are three different bikes. We have a Street Glide ST, a Road Glide ST, and a Lowrider ST. All coming in this paint scheme, what they're calling the Fast Johnnie Enthusiast. And I can tell you, I was surprised whenever I saw it in person. You know, I got excited about this bike. I like anything, obviously, racing. And, you know, this is a direct derivative from Harley's racing lineage from back in the 20s. Whenever their wrecking crew picked up a lonely pig apparently and took it with them anywhere they went, and you can see various pictures of them in the winner's circle with the pig on the gas tank, and that pig's name was Johnnie. So this is where it comes from. It is inspired by 60s and 70s muscle cars. The blue is outstanding if you get a chance to see this in person. I didn't know how much I would like it when I first saw the renditions, but actually get to see the paint in person. It is a stunning paint. The blue is absolutely excellent. It's been a little while since Harley's come out with one of these metallic blues that really catch your eye. Man, that with the blue, it really sets it out. And everything else on the bike is just a Lowrider ST or Street Glide ST or Road Glide ST. So 117 motor, all the options that you get with an ST. The only thing that's different is the paint, but it is an outstanding paint and it is a fairly expensive option. These are limited editions. They're going to make 2,000 of each is what we've gathered. If you have any questions on it, feel free to hit me up below. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next ride.